Guaiacum. The genus is famous as the supplier of lignum vitae, which is the heartwood of several species in the genus. It is the hardest wood that is measured using the Yonka hardness test, requiring a force of 4,500 lbf 20,000 N to embed a steel ball 0.444 in 1.13 centimeters in diameter, a distance half of that, into the wood. The Spanish encountered Guaiacum wood when they conquered San Domingo. It was soon brought back to Europe, where it acquired an immense reputation in the 16th century as a cure for syphilis and certain other diseases. Gum from the wood was used to treat syphilis. For example, Benvenuto Cellini records this use of it in his memoirs. Thomas Nash refers to its supposed medical properties in his tract Nash's Lenten Stuff, as well as to the exotic sound of the word at the time, playing on the famously bizarre-sounding Latin word honorificabilitudinitatis, meaning worthy of honor. Physicians deafen our ears with the honorificabilitudinitatis of their heavenly panacea. Their sovereign Guaiacum resin has been used to treat a variety of medicinal conditions from coughs to arthritis. Wood chips can also be used to brew a tea. The artist Jan van der Straat, also known as Johannes Stratinus, painted a scene of a wealthy man receiving treatment of syphilis with Guaiacum wood sometime around 1580. The title of the work is Preparation and Use of Guaiacum for Treating Syphilis. Epidemic syphilis had been raging through Europe for nearly a century at the time of the painting, and hopes were high that this plant from the New World would provide a cure. The richly colored and detailed work depicts 4 servants preparing the concoction while a physician looks on, hiding something behind his back while the hapless patient drinks. Gum Guaiacum was used to stimulate menstruation, and at least one case in late 18th century Virginia suggests it was used as an abortifacient. One male physician noted, "Several physicians have apprehended mischief from the use of the Guaiacum in a spirituous tincture." In a 1793 court case, Martha Jefferson Randolph testified that she had provided gum Guaiacum to a female relative to produce an abortion. The 1955 edition of the Textbook of Pharmacognosy also says that Guaiacum has a local stimulant action which is sometimes useful in sore throat. The resin is used in chronic gout and rheumatism, whilst the wood is an ingredient in the compound concentrated solution of sarsaparilla, which was formerly much used as an alternative in syphilis. A phenolic compound derived from the resin of Guaiacum trees is used in a common test for blood in human stool samples. The presence of Hem in the blood causes the formation of a colored product in the presence of hydrogen peroxide. The effect of peroxidases in horseradish on Guaiacum was first noted in 1810 by Planche. As a food additive, Guaiacum has the E number of E314 and is classified as an antioxidant. A widely used derivative drug is the expectorant known as guaifenesin. The soap fragrance oil of guaiac comes from Bulnesia sarmientoi, a South American tree from the same family. Members of the genus are grown in Florida and California as ornamental plants.